falafel. I have never made or eaten falafel, so I'm pretty excited. I found this video on YouTube from Chef Frank from Proto Cooks, and it looks so good, so I wanted to try it out. His recipe says to use 1/2 pound of dry chickpeas. He specifically said do not use canned chickpeas for this recipe. So these guys have been soaking overnight, and we're gonna get started. You need 1/2 pound of dry chickpeas soaked overnight, 1 tablespoon of baking soda, 3 cloves of garlic, 1 bunch of chopped parsley, 1 bunch of chopped cilantro, 1/2 teaspoon of ground cumin. This recipe calls for 1/2 of a small jalapeno. However, I do not have a fresh jalapeno, so we're going to use a little bit of pickled. 4 scallions chopped, salt to taste, and black pepper to taste. Alright, now we're going to mix our ingredients. Chef Frank said that he likes to mix all of his herbs and aromatics first. So we're going to start with our 1/2 cup of cilantro, 1/2 cup of parsley, our 3 cloves of garlic, 1/2 teaspoon of the cumin, a couple of these guys. He said it was a little spicy. We're gonna go a little milder. Plus, I'm not sure if the pickled is gonna work, so we shall see. All right, our scallions. And then we mix. Oh, salt and pepper. Alright, y'all, plug your ears, it's gonna be loud. And goes the chickpeas. Make sure you scrape the edges and get the stuff off, especially if you're not using a food processor. It's a little bit more difficult. Alright, y'all, so I'm gonna be honest, that took a little bit of work with the Ninja blender situation. If you have a food processor, I definitely recommend using that. However, I think we got her. Now, Chef Frank says that you want to get it to where you can squeeze it and it'll kind of hold its form. So I think we're there. I don't have one of those fancy little ice cream scoops that he's got, but we're gonna go with the old cookie spoon dump trick. Try to make them somewhat consistent and they'll all form little balls. He said make a little ball and flatten it out a little bit. Alright, so I don't have an ice cream scoop, so I patted these out beforehand. Now we're gonna go to the stove. Chef Frank says to have your oil at 350, so we're gonna check it. Alright guys, we got our oil at 350 and we are going in. Drop them on in there. By the way, I did not use the whole batch. I just figured I would start small, make sure I could pull it off first. There is a little more filling than this. Alright, now I'm just gonna let these guys go. I'm gonna try not to mess with them too much. And I don't want them to fall apart on me. Let them get nice and brown. Alright guys, I think we are there. Everything is nice and dark green all the way through. we're gonna go ahead and pull them out. Don't judge my coffee filters, okay? Alright guys, my first ever falafel. I think it was a success. Alright y'all, so I feel like his were a little brighter greener than mine, but we're gonna go with it. I got a nice little lemon tahini sauce. I'm gonna put on top here. Oh yeah. All right, now for the taste. Oh, good. All right, guys. I like it. Definitely worth trying, for sure. And that was pretty easy. So, thank you, Chef Frank. You are the bomb. I would definitely recommend checking out his video. He explains this much better than I did. However, first time was a success. So thank you guys. I hope you make this. If you do, let me know how it comes out and enjoy.